Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards, Cancers. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, stay tuned for that reading, Cancers. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. It's snake, clover, and child. So maybe in your circumstances, maybe in your relationship or in your career situation, there is someone acting as your friend, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life. But this person's intentions are not good. They are trying to influence you in a bad way in something. Maybe they want you to make a wrong choice and they are trying to control you or dominate you in certain ways, or they are influencing you in a bad way so you make a wrong choice. So if you know who it is, Cancers, you must stay away from this person because they may act like a friend, but you must trust your intuition today. If you feel that something is not right with the way this person is talking or the way they are, you must think for yourself, and you should not trust anyone and everyone today. You must trust only those people whom you can completely trust today with some important decisions or some important choices today. And maybe the reason you are telling something to this person, maybe because you are quite what to say, cheerful about something, you're happy, or maybe you're making an immature choice. But whatever be the case, Cancer, here you must be clear, be really attentive, focused today. So even in this career situation, or first let's see for your relationship, maybe you are in a new connection. For most of you, I see that you are in a new relationship and you are really curious to find out about this person, find out what are their interests, and you are cheerful and you are ready to reveal everything about you. You want to tell them everything about you, and you feel a great attraction towards this person. And maybe if you are already in a connection, you are feeling really cheerful because this connection is moving towards a deeper communication now. You do not have any inhibition to tell this person what you are truly, because you have a very positive, meaningful connection with this person. And Cancers, you are going to be really lucky today. Some kind of luck, something very unexpected is coming your way, and you need to make use of it. It may be your lucky chance in this relationship, or it may be a lucky chance in your career. Whatever it is, you need to make use of it because it's not going to last forever. And this is going to change your life forever. That is the potential of this opportunity you are getting today, Cancer. So, for your relationship, we picked one card and it says bear. So, maybe this person in this relationship, maybe They are trying to tell you something. Maybe they are trying to advise you on certain things for a reason, because they are truly concerned about you. They have love towards you and they are truly concerned about you. But if you feel that they are not someone truly concerned, maybe they are simply trying to dominate you, you can have that open minded conversation, Cancers, that is going to resolve your circumstances today. So, that is what I see for your relationship. So, for your career situation, let's see what is the card. We have book. So, you are getting clarity today. Maybe you were having some doubts or you were confused about some choices, or you are learning something new, maybe a new skill, a new talent, something that is going to help you in your work. So, that is the energy with these cards, Cancers. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancer. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way, the reading may resonate. So, I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. We will see what is this card. We have Goldilocks, entitlement. So, with this card, it just means that you are immature in your circumstance, or maybe someone is really immature, and this person is not aware of what to do or how to be in a connection, or how to be um, a person who respects others. And the bears in these cards, they represent respect and something that you must learn to do if you want to grow yourself, if you want to change yourself from an immature person to someone mature, someone who is making wise choices. So maybe you are dealing with an immature person, or you, it may be your energy. Maybe you are quite immature. You don't know how to be, how to handle yourself, and maybe there is someone invading your personal space. It may be your energy or someone's energy towards you, and you do not like it, and you need space. Even though if you are in a very good relationship, a positive relationship, still we need that space, still we need that other person to respect us, to respect our uniqueness, to respect our time, and that alone time. Maybe no one should invade that. When they do that, they are pushing this relationship to into some kind of difficult circumstance. So people may not like us using their personal space, or using their things, or using them. You should not take anything for granted. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And maybe there is someone like that in your circumstance. You are feeling really worried, or you simply do not like to be with this person. But if this is your energy, you need to change yourself, learn from the mistakes you did, and change yourself. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, we have rhodonite. So this crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and connection with people. So in our life, in our day-to-day life, we meet so many people, and we are here to learn from others and also teach others whatever we know. So, this crystal spirit stands for that harmonious, meaningful connection. And we are in this life together, and maybe in our partnership, maybe in our work, or even in this relationship. When we exchange our gifts, we are going to do things in a better way. Exchange our gifts in the sense our gifts of talents. Maybe we will know something better than the other person, and when we give that guidance, maybe someone will make use of it. And even in this relationship, this may be the time for you to connect deeply with this person, give and receive. So teach them what you know, and when they reciprocate that, when they teach you what they know, when they help you with their talents and skills, you are going to benefit today, benefit in this relationship for having that positive connection with you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And you are, um, what to say, you are moving towards a healthy, balanced relationship when you do that, when you share your knowledge and when you go out of the way connecting with people, helping them out. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.